So welcome back, and now basically what we would like to do in this solution is simply given this text file, okay, we would like to read it. And the way we are going to read it is using the fgetC function to basically read character by character until we reach the end of the file, okay? So how will it look like? We will create a pointer called fp, a pointer to file, and we will use fp equals to fopen, reading this file. Then we will ask if fp does not equal to null, then it means that the file was successfully opened. What would we like to do here? What do you think? If we use just one fgetC, then probably what we are going to get is just one character. So we use fgetC, specify the pointer, and let's create also additional variable to store our characters. So let's say char my char. We will say it like this, my char equals to fgetC fp. So this will read the first character, but that's not something that we want. We want to basically on every iteration to read a character until some condition is met. And what is this condition? This condition is until we reach the end of the file. So how can we specify it? Let me show you. So while, and we will say until we don't reach some condition, which is the end of file. And we have this special EOF, end of file, specifying we reached the end of the file. So let's basically also take this my char inside of this while statement. Don't get scared, it's not so complicated. So let's go like this. Let me explain you in just a second what we've done here. Okay, no worries, guys. So what do we have here? We have my char getting assignment and input from fgetC fp, getting a character from the file one after the other, and do this while until you reach the end of the file. That's it. Read a character from a file until you reach the end of the file. And on every iteration, what I want you to do is to print the character to the screen. So my char. And that's basically all there is to it. Okay, just we need to add the count, but I want to first of all to run this program to show you that it works. Okay, so hi, this is Vlad from AlphaTech. And what can you notice here? You can notice that my char getting character one at a time, it also gets characters like H, E, Y, and then it gets characters like space, and then it also gets characters like \n. Because if it wouldn't get the \n characters, the new line characters, then what would happen here is that all of the text from the file would be just in one line. And you can see that by using this printf %c and the \n right here, we jumped to the next line, and so on and so forth. So the \n was read carefully. And finally, I also wanted to create some counters. So int count of characters equals to 0. And in this case, every character we are going to count. Let's say count ++. And finally, we will print, I don't know, the total of characters in the file is %d \n. %d will be replaced by count of characters, and that's it. So let's run it and hope for the best. So, okay, here we also need to add a \n, right? Because at the end of the file there is no \n, it ends on just one line, so it will look like this. Go here, come here. The total of characters in the file is 32, and if you will count them up, they should match, including the \n probably, right? So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on practicing, keep on moving forward, and you are bound to succeed. Until next time, my name is Vlad. I'll see you then.